And hello, let's make the short countdown for everybody to be ready for our MINA protocol staking workshop. Hello guys. Today we're having Daria. She's our awesome blockchain manager at MINA Protocol, and today we're going to show you how we do the staking with our secret wallet. So, Daria, go ahead. The stage is yours.
Thank you. Hi, everyone. Thank you all for joining us today. As you already heard, my name is Daria. I'm MINA Blockchain Manager at Everstake, and I'm the person who helps you keep up to date with all the latest updates from the MINA protocol world. I also create educational and entertaining content for you guys, and I'm always ready to help you with any questions and problem with MINA staking. Let me tell you a bit about Everstake. We're a blockchain infrastructure provider that helps users participate in blockchain network through staking. Our goal is to make the staking process clear and easy for everyone. If you're just starting your blockchain journey, we have many useful articles and guides, and our great blockchain manager are ready to help you at any time. So let's get started. Today's workshop will primarily focus on MINA staking, which is our main topic of discussion, but beyond that, we will also cover other questions related to staking and MINA protocol. Here's the plan for our today's journey. I'll tell you what staking is, the features of MINA staking, tell you more about rewards, and answer the most frequently asked questions. We will also delegate tokens right on the stream and go all the way from creating a wallet to delegating to a validator. So let's begin. Let's start from the very beginning. You bought a bunch of tokens and you want to do something useful with them instead of just keeping them in a wallet. But how to make them bring you passive income with the lowest risk? That's where staking comes into play. Staking is a way to participate in blockchain where people can hold and stake their tokens to help make the network work better. When you stake your tokens, it means you're putting them into a special digital wallet or a platform. By doing this, you're helping to validate and confirm the transaction made using those tokens. It's like being a part of a team that checks if everything is done correctly. As a reward for staking your tokens and being part of the team, you can earn more tokens. These extra tokens are given to you as an incentive for your help. So staking allows you to earn more tokens while also supporting the blockchain network. So you can passively grow your assets by participating in the MINA protocol network by delegating your MINA to a validator. You will receive rewards for helping to secure the network. MINA protocol presents an array of compelling staking features that empower users to actively participate in securing the network while reaping and seeing rewards. The first feature is low fees. The network transaction fees are rather low, as you can expect them to be less than 0.2 MINA. It's also worth mentioning that the protocol does not need explicit slashing, since the protocol already enforces the required level of correctness. The third but not less important factor is supercharged rewards. To further incentivize participants to stake their MINA tokens, MINA offers a supercharged rewards program. This program doubles the rewards for accounts that have non-time locked tokens. This means if the account stakes unlocked MINA tokens, it will get double rewards. And the last is that there is no unstaking period. MINA staking is way different from the majority of other blockchains. Your tokens belong only to you and there is no lockup period. You can withdraw your assets anytime. I think it's time to get to the most interesting part, the rewards. Your profits will depend on several measured factors such as APR. It represents how much interest a user would receive for the bounded assets in 1 year. The validator commission is a percentage of the received rewards that your chosen validator takes for their services. Therefore, the smaller the validator's commission, the more rewards you will receive. The third, but no less important factor, is the reliability of the validator you choose, because validators with insufficient performance receive less rewards. To avoid unreliable players, choose a validator with the closest to 100% on time. And when do your delegated funds start to pretend to win the blocks? Blocks in MINA are produced within distinct time intervals called slots. Block producer may win the chance to produce a block during the slot, which is 3 minutes duration. An epoch is a unit of time equal to 7,140 slots. Therefore, the epoch duration is 14 days and 21 hours. The staking data for the next epoch generates after 290 slots of the current epoch. For example, let's consider 3 epochs, epochs 6, 7, and 8. After 290 blocks of epoch 6 are produced, the staking data for epoch 7 is generated. The delegators that have delegated before that will start to pretend to win a block only from the beginning of the 7th epoch. For that user who will delegate after 290 blocks of the 6th epoch, the delegation will be formed only after 290 blocks of the 7th epoch. And they will pretend to win some blocks only from the beginning of the 8th epoch, and so on. One of the main things that confuse MINA participants when it comes to unstaking and undelegating their tokens is that there is no unstake or undelegate comment like you found in most staking protocols. That's because funds staked on MINA are never locked and can be accessed anytime. With that in mind, and assuming you have your MINA tokens delegated to a validator, you can do any of the following to unstake or undelegate. Transfer, sell, or donate your stake tokens at any times. Also, you can simply redelegate your already delegated MINA tokens to another validator. As highlighted on the MINA website, delegated funds are not spendable by the validator and can also be redelegated to another validator at any times. And once you redelegate your stake, there's a latency period of from 2 to 4 weeks before your new stake delegation comes into effect. The community has created a variety of different wallets. The most popular wallet is the Aura wallet. It's available both as a mobile version for iOS and Android and as a web version for various browsers. The next wallet is Staking Power wallet, which is available both on Google Play and in the App Store for iOS and macOS. Last but not least is Gloria wallet. It's available for Windows, macOS, and Linux. You can also store your MINA tokens on the ledger and connect it to Aura wallet or Gloria wallet for more security. And now, having learned all the theory, we can move on to practice. Now I will show you how to stake MINA on the example of Staking Power wallet. Give me 1 second. Great. First, install the wallet of your choice. In my case, it's Staking Power. Next, we will create a new wallet. Then we will see a warning, make sure no one is watching you. The seed phrase allows you to access your funds in any wallet, and it's unacceptable for a stranger to learn what it is. Therefore, mnemonics should be preserved in a safe place. Click I understand to continue. Now, here is the recovery phrase. Write down all 12 words in the specified order on paper or any other, but only non-digital medium, since it's not safe to store the seed in digital form. I recommend you do not copy the phrase or take screenshots of it. So after you write down the sequence of mnemonics, click continue. You now confirm that you have correctly recorded your backup recovery phrase by sequentially adding the words from the list to the field on the screen. If you save your seed phrase incorrectly or lose it, you will not be able to restore access to the wallet if necessary. So Give me a second. Sorry, something missing. Yeah, done. So click continue. Yeah. Next, we have to create a strong password. The password will protect your wallet in case of loss or theft of the mobile device on which the application is installed. Come up with the password that is strong as possible so that the wallet cannot be hacked. Enter it. Done. You should understand that if you lose your password, you will not be able to access your funds. So click here and then continue. Here it is. The Stake Power wallet is created and ready to use, but before that, funds needs to be added to it. So to receive the address of your MINA wallet, press the button Receive. Copy the address or save a QR code that can be read with the camera on another device to send coins. Just a second, I will send some tokens to the new account. Just a second. So, done. Yeah, so while we are waiting for the transaction to be processed, I will tell you where to buy MINA or how to top up your wallet. To buy MINA tokens, you will have to go through a cryptocurrency trading platform. There are more than 20 of, if I'm not mistaken, exchanges you can use to buy MINA. You can also top up your account from another wallet or account. So while I'm waiting for tokens to be deposited into my account, I will tell you some interesting facts about MINA protocol. MINA protocol prioritizes user privacy by allowing participants to interact within the blockchain without revealing their entire transaction history. The use of ZK snarks enabled the verification of transaction without disclosing sensitive information. MINA protocol also provides a platform for the development of decentralized applications. DApps. Developers can build various applications on top of the protocol, taking advantage of its lightweight nature and privacy features. MINA offers a developer-friendly ecosystem with comprehensive documentation, toolkits, and resources to facilitate the development of applications on the protocol. This support encourages innovation and growth within the MINA community. The MINA protocol community actively contributes to the protocol's development, governance, and ecosystem. Through various channels, community members have the opportunity to participate in decision-making process and shape the future of the protocol. So I think it's also worth mentioning that you should be careful. There have been a lot of fake accounts lately that want to use scam links to steal money from you. It's worth remembering that there are no platform for swapping and NFTs on MINA protocol. If you have doubts about any project or application on MINA protocol, I recommend you to look for information about it on the official MINA protocol website channels, or ask about it on Discord, Telegrams, and our official social media, for example. This will help you to save your money in case you fall for a scammer. So let me check my account. Still no, so let's continue our facts. MINA protocol has formed partnership with various organizations and projects to foster adoption and integration. This collaboration aimed to explore real-world use cases and expand the reach of MINA's technology across different industries. MINA protocol also continued to evolve through ongoing research and development efforts. The team behind MINA, as well as the wider community, actively work on improving the protocol's features, performance, and security. So our transaction is still pending. Let me check it again. So now you can see that Staking Power Wallet is user-friendly, has very simple interface, and I think it's really easy to use. And usually I use it for staking my tokens, and for me, it's convenient that it's available for macOS. So here you can see the stake tab where we going to stake our tokens. The transaction, here you can see the whole story of your account and some settings that you can change your passwords. If you want to change it, you can also remove wallet. And here you can create a new account if you want to, for example, delegate your token to multiple validators. For example, you create a new one and then you send tokens to it, and then you can delegate to another validator, for example. So because when you delegate your tokens, it's not only about taking power, it's about all wallets. When you delegate your funds, you delegate the whole amount of it. So from one account, you cannot delegate to multiple validators. So we're still waiting for our transaction. It's still pending. So we can continue about our facts. As you know, MINA protocol utilizes a delegated proof-of-stake consent mechanism where token holders can delegate their MINA tokens to validators. These validators are responsible for block production and maintaining the network security and integrity. So, yeah, let me check. It seems to me that my tokens are already in my wallet. Yeah. So then when we already, after finding the wallet, you can proceed to delegation. Pay attention that you will need 1 MINA to activate your account. This amount will be automatically debited from your account. Now our wallet is activated, as you can see. Staking coins is the last thing to be done. To stake MINA cryptocurrency, go to the top stake. It shows that there are no active delegations in the wallet yet. After you stake MINA, the information about the delegation will appear in this section. Here you can also track your progress until the end of the epoch, after which staking rewards will be accurate. To continue, click on the required account from the list if you have more than one, and then click delegate. Now we have to select a validator for delegation. How stable your income will depend on this choice. Therefore, it's important to choose only reliable validators such as Everstake. So click on the selected validators from the list to continue. And then click delegate. Next, we have to select the type of commission. The higher the commission, the faster the validators will confirm the transaction, and you will stake the MINA cryptocurrency. So choose very fast and click send to send that transaction. Then you have to enter your wallet password to confirm that transaction, and then click confirm. Yep, 1 second. The transaction has been sent. All information about your transaction is available on MINA Explorer. You need to add your public address to find out all the details of your account activity. And here we can click View and Explorer to see the transaction. After that transaction is added to blockchain, then we return to stake tab and a little wait. After that transaction is added to the blockchain, it may take a little time, as you can see. You will see the message that you're staking with Everstake. When you return to the main wallet script, it will show that MINA coins have been staked. Let me check. But I promise it will show you that your coins have been staked. Actually, I think that's all. We can wait a little to see that our tokens are delegated. You can see that account not staked, but just have to wait a few minutes. Okay. It also want to tell that your MINA staking rewards are automatically restaked and earning additional rewards unless you withdraw or trade them. So, okay, I think that's while we're waiting, I'd like to go over a few frequently asked questions that users usually have. Let me go back to the presentation. Can you see my screen? Yeah, thanks. First, you want to unstake redelegate just a portion of the stake MINA to another validators. So that's you have MINA delegated with more than one validator. How can you do that? When you delegate your stake in MINA, as I already said, the whole balance of the account is delegated. So if, for example, you have 10 MINA in your account and you want to delegate 5 of them to a different validator, you will need to transfer the 5 MINA to a different address you generate and delegate the separate stake from there. What is the MINA protocol's API? The current API is near 12% for lock tokens and 24% supercharged rewards for unlocked tokens. It's an average percentage that can change slightly from epoch to epoch depending on how many blocks were won. Why are my rewards not the same every time? The amount of reward depends, for example, on the staking pool size. The bigger the stake of your block producer, the higher the chance for a block, but the chance doesn't mean rewards. The number of unlocked tokens and the validator fee depends on validator. I can find a button command to unstake MINA inside my MINA wallet. How exactly do I unstake my tokens? Delegating your MINA tokens that doesn't lock them, so you can redelegate, undelegate, transfer, sell, or even donate your MINA anytime you want. I think that's it. I hope I was useful for you, and now I think that we can go back to our staking power wallet to see that our tokens are staked. So just a second, share. Yeah, here you can see your stake pool, that your stake pool delegated. You can see all the information about your block producer. In my case, it's Everstake. You can see the number of delegators. You can see the number of the amount of commission. It's 5% in Everstake, and I think that's all that I can show you. Also here you can change pool if you want to another, and I think that's all. Thank you. And if you have any question, feel free to ask it now, or you can DM me anytime. I'm here for you.
Hey, Daria, thank you so much. It was awesome. And
Thank you.
let's say for some questions, just about a minute or something like that. Maybe we will have them. And also, please, we'll be very happy if you could add some thoughts or any congratulations to Daria, because that is her one of her first public events, and I'm very thankful for her to join us here today. So,
Thank
how
you.
are you? How do you feel?
It was a little exciting for me, but I hope I was able to simply and clearly explain to people what MINA staking is and how it works. And also, that's for our viewers. If you have any ideas for future MINA protocol events, share your ideas in the comments. You can also tag your influencers, favorite influencers you'd like to see AMA sessions with, or something like that. Maybe in the near future, we will make something interesting with MINA protocol influencers.
Yeah, we will. And so, guys, we're waiting for your questions a little bit more for about 30 seconds. If you have some, please just let us know. I'm checking our comments in Twitter, but I don't see them, to be honest, and checking the comments in YouTube. No, we have no. So, okay, thank you so much. And uh, these minutes were quite fast for me. Thank you,
Thank
Daria.
you for joining us today. Thank you, Valeria. Thank you all.
Thank you. See you. Bye.
See you. Bye bye.